Whoops.
Hello.
Hey, Fritzy photobomb. You've trimmed the fur.
On her paws, so that when I pull the paws off her feet, it doesn't grab the fur.
Got it. Okay. And you did the same thing, and you were saying that because she was a breeder girl, she was used to just being manipulated all kinds of ways anyway. So
Yeah.
she was more compliant just because she was used to being
Manhandled. Yep. But then she and I gained a lot of trust in the first year, just working with her. So she's my breeder release.
Yes.
My little girl.
You're all done with the infusion? I'll just have to monitor you overnight.
You're making it easy on mommy,
Yes, you are.
baby.
And the camera loves you. She's like, do you notice how my ear just flows down?
We're almost done. She's smiling.
What do you think? You're going to take me on a nice walk? Yeah. We're going to go up the hill maybe, huh?
I take her a little farther, and there's a flat one.
Oh, the other entryway to the...
Yep.
Good girl.
There we go.
Look how simple you make that look. Look how simple.
You give mommy a smile.
Oh. All right, girly.